y'all, so I'm done cooking. This is my plate. 2 pancakes. That's all I want, y'all. No eggs, no nothing. Just 2 pancakes. I'm gonna eat, and then hopefully we'll be going grocery shopping. So you guys stay tuned for that. The kids are eating their breakfast. As you guys can see, hubby is eating. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so now that I'm done cooking breakfast, I'm actually over here doing some laundry. Got my throws. I done cleaned these, and I'm about to put them in the dryer. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go in my room, y'all. My room is finally done. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Gonna be putting this inside my oil diffuser thingy, oil mister, yeah. So yeah, I want to put that one in there because right now I have this one in there as of right now, and I don't want this one in there no more. So we're gonna switch it out. Need to fix my closet, you guys. Fold clothes, and then your girl is done for today. Period. I'll be back. Y'all too, while I'm doing laundry, y'all, I am pumping my bread. So your girl is multitasking. We gotta get it done so my baby can have some milk. Period.